What's going on, guys? It's Lavish, and we're back at it with another video with the 2007 Ford Mustang. Today we're going to be changing out the emergency brake cables, both on the passenger and the driver side. I already did the passenger side, so I'm going to just show you guys what I did, and we'll replicate it on the driver side. All right, so once you take your wheel off, you'll be presented with the caliper here. Right here, you're going to have your old brake line. It's going to be going through there, up here. We're going to have to use a plier to get it in, because I already put it in on the opposite side. So we're going to use a plier. We're going to get this new cable. All right, so we had to use the plier here, kind of pull it up, get it to looking like this, so that when you do pull the parking brake, this is going to pull downwards and it's going to initiate your caliper, and it's going to then brake your car. Well, not brake it, but stop it. And I'm going to show you where the wire goes on the underside real quick. So this is from behind the actual hose here, which is connected right there, goes through here. And what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to take out this 10mm socket here and replace it onto there. This is going to go behind here, up into here, where you're then going to put a 10mm socket right here as well. And then that travels over to here, where you have to connect that drum housing into the brake, the parking brake, the actual parking brake itself. When we go ahead and do the driver's side, I will show you exactly how to do that. All right, so the parts that you guys are gonna need, this right here is our driver's side e-brake cable. Part number right there is U660871, and then our passenger side is U660767. So we're going to start off by taking off our tires. You're going to need a 7/8 socket, and you're also going to need a 10mm socket when we take off the bolts on the underside for the cable. So as you guys can see here, we have our 7/8. We're going to put it on. We're going to go ahead and remove the lug nuts. This is the driver's side. You can see there's supposed to be a clip right here. I just don't have the clip. It must have snapped off. This is where the cable would go, right in here. This is the old cable that's still connected. Just for demonstration, I'll show you guys exactly how it should be set up when you take it off. Mine was just snapped, so it's not on there. But this is how it should be. Like this, and then this underside is kind of tucked in here. Then there should be a clip that you take off. You take the clip off, then you remove this, and then once it's to the side there, I use that as enough leverage to get it out of here. And once you're disconnected there, you're good. You can push this through right here. And now it's out, and you're gonna have to get on the underside to get the rest. Use a 10mm socket on. Then we're gonna have to follow this brake cable up for the next one. So let's take this one off. Huh? Taxes? Yeah. What are you talking about? What are taxes? Should have it. That should do it. There we go. We're gonna have to pry that when we put the new one in. It's connected up here. So I assume, yeah, we'll just be able to take this off. On here, you have to actually pry off these right here, because this is holding it in. You're gonna have to break these off because you can't reuse the cables. You have to break these off. Once it's broken off, it'll come right off like that. We are ready for the new line. So let's go ahead and grab the new line and we'll just put it in. All right, so here's our brand new cable compared to our old cable. You can see the similarities, maybe some differences. This is the side that we're gonna be plugging into where we just broke. And this is the side that we're going to be putting on the caliper. So take this end here, put it through this second piece here. You have to put it through the fatter side to get it through. And I would just ring it up so that it's just up here. Remember, it's gonna have to go through this hole here. So I would give it enough leverage, give it enough room to be able to sit right like this. Right like that. And then this part here is gonna get pulled up and put into there, but we're gonna do that after we set the other side up. I would just keep it next to this hole, around this hole here, so that you know how much you actually need for it. I'd keep it like right there. So remember, this cable here is gonna have to get hooked back up into here. Normally you'd take that off, but since it's stripped, we're just gonna re-pry this with a plier. We're gonna tighten it down, wire this up so that we can at least have this in the right spot. Try to show you here. Shove it in until it clicks. Now you know that's up there. This I'm gonna have to tighten with something else other than the plier. I'm gonna have to go grab that. This is connected here. Looks good. So we're gonna move everything. We're gonna go back to the caliper. So now that we're back here at the caliper, I'm gonna go ahead and connect this first. Just making sure it's sideways. And then because I don't have the clip, it's gonna be a little bit different, but essentially you wanna get this piece here below here. It's gonna be a little bit different for me because I don't have the clip. I'm just gonna kind of try to pull it down and hopefully it works. Alright, so right now the car isn't gonna move because it's in gear. So when you try to move it, it stops. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of gear. I'll show you guys that once it's out of gear, it will move. So now we're in neutral. See how the car is moving now. Push it forward. Nothing's locking it. Pull it backwards. It's coming towards me. Push it back forward. So it doesn't fucking roll out the garage here. Now we're gonna test these parking cable with. Now that that's up, we shouldn't move at all. Oh yeah, she's solid. So if you guys enjoyed this video, or if you guys learned something in this video, go ahead and drop a like, comment, subscribe. Give me a comment down below what you guys want to see me do to this car. Let me know if you guys want to see something in particular. I'll make a video on how to do it. Until next time, stay tuned.